expand and simplify this expression. So first off, I want to multiply the 4a to the a and 3b. So 4a times a would be 4a squared. And 4a times 3b, dealing with the numbers first, it would be positive 12. And a times b would be ab. Then I want to multiply the 2b to both terms in this set of brackets. So 2b times 2a would be 2 times 2, so 4. b times a would be ab. And 2b times negative b, so that would be negative, so minus 2b squared. And I want to multiply the negative 6 to a minus b. So negative 6 times a is minus 6a. And negative 6 times negative b would be positive 6b. And I want to find all the like terms. First, I have a squared, and that's the only term with a squared. So leave that as for a squared. And we have the ab terms. I have 12ab and 4ab. So 12 plus 4, that's 16ab. And I have the b squared term, and this is the only b squared term, so I leave it as it is, negative 2b squared. And then the a and b terms, leave them as 6a plus 6b. And that's it.